Join us as we explore the capabilities of the Netzsch STA 449 Jupiter in this exciting video. Discover the different crucibles that can be used with the STA 449 Jupiter and how they affect the results of thermal analysis. Netzsch STA 449 Jupiter is a highly advanced and efficient thermal analysis instrument that can accurately measure different physical and chemical properties of materials, such as their melting point, thermal stability, and decomposition temperature. This instrument requires the use of sample crucibles, which are small containers that hold the sample during the thermal analysis process. Sample crucibles are essential components of Netzsch STA 449 Jupiter as they hold the sample during the thermal analysis process. They protect the sample from contamination, prevent it from evaporating, and ensure accurate and reproducible results. The choice of crucible material is critical as it can affect the analysis results. Using the wrong type of crucible can lead to errors, inaccuracies, and loss of valuable samples. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on thermal analysis consumables.